Now I want to create a relationship between model and brand. You know, if brand is Toyota, model is Aqua. So that brand and model table has one-to-many relationship. That means one model has many brands. So in brand table, we create a relationship between two in model entity. We create a relationship between one brand. That means public virtual brands brand. This is the entity. The column is public int brand ID. Must be integer value. So this is the key what created in the model. So how we create a relationship in that is foreign key. We map that foreign key column to that brand entity. What is the foreign key? Brand ID, like that. So in the brand we must register also the relationship between to the model. That means one brand has many models. So public I collection. So I explain what is the I collection. Just keep the mind, it must be the I collection, and models it must be a virtual. So in constructor we must initiate that model class. Don't worry about that syntax, what is why you use list. Just keep in mind that if I want to create a one-to-many relationship between that two entities, that primary key entity has the collection and foreign key has only the reference. Okay, so we created that, and now again we execute that migration script. So to do that, we create a new migration script, and if it is not necessary, we can overwrite this migration script also. No, I do not do that, and I create a new migration to execute at this model table. Add migration and name is create model class model table. That is spelling is mistake. Okay, that is new migration script that has all the instruction what that this is that C# code what the convert to the SQL. So all the create, insert, all the information, all that the information now writing in here, but don't worry about that because that is auto generated one. Further information you can study that one. It's added to the migration folder. Now we must want to reflect to the database. We must execute update database one. So after the update done, so you can see new table are created. So we refresh this one as well as, so you can see that brand ID is added as the foreign key to the brand table. So it is very easy. So now you can understand what we can do. So we go other tables as well as, this one is all done, and customer table Now we add. I go a bit fast. Customer. We added that. This is namespaces. We do not want to add that table decorator. Public int id. That is must be primary key. Public string name. That is keep customer name. It has 30 in varchar, 50 in varchar. String phone number. If it is name is required, we create decorator as a required. Suppose the phone number is required, that means not null. It has required decorator. We can use required decorator, and we keep that custom images string image, that keep image URL. The default value, we get the default value. If images is not provided by customer, we keep as default value as no JPG. It's just like that default property in that SQL Server. And string address, it must be a necessary. We decorate as the required, phone number as a required, like that, right? And we can also update us like this table. This table also reflect to the database, but we can just decorate it after created. That means that over to the table. Model brand. This must be required. So we execute. So now we again register that customer table in our context file. Sorry. Customers, and we should also include register our model class as well. Now again we execute our migration. At migration, create table. So you can see that tables are required, nullable table are altered by not nullable as a not nullable update database. Right. So now this is over. Sorry, but this one. Customer table is over. Now we created a label table. So I already forgot the Spanish to the label.